Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing the Chefman air fryer and the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1. We will be evaluating them based on different categories. So let's get started. Both the Chefman air fryer and Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 offer versatility in their cooking options. But Chefman has a slight edge here, offering 5 different cooking functions compared to Instant Pot's 4. So if versatility is a key factor for you, Chefman is the one to go for. Both appliances cook faster than traditional ovens, but the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 has an edge here, with its even crisp technology, which ensures the food is cooked evenly and crisp to perfection in no time. However, if you are short on time, both of these appliances are a great way to cook your meals faster than traditional ovens. If you are looking for healthy cooking options, both Chefman and Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 are great choices. However, the Chefman air fryer uses 98% less oil than traditional fryers, making it an excellent option for health-conscious individuals. Both appliances are user-friendly and easy to use, but the Chefman air fryer has more preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen, making it simpler to use for anyone. So if you're not a pro in the kitchen, go for the Chefman air fryer. If you're cooking for a large family or meal, prepping for several meals at once, the Chefman air fryer gives you a larger capacity with its 10-liter option. Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 is better suited for smaller servings, making it a good choice for individuals or couples. Both appliances have a non-stick surface that makes them easy to clean. However, the Chefman air fryer also comes with dishwasher-safe parts and a removable drip tray, which makes cleaning up a breeze. Chefman wins in this category. Both appliances come with safety features built in, but the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 has a slight edge in this category with built-in overheat protection and an auto-off feature. If you prioritize safety features, Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 is a better choice. The Chefman air fryer is priced at USD $119, while Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 is priced at USD $59, while the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 is more affordable. The value for money that Chefman air fryer offers is unbeatable because of its larger capacity and versatility. And that's a wrap. Both appliances have their pros and cons, and the right choice for you depends on your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews.